And namaste everyone. I'm Binod Duwadi from Nepal, the country of the highest peak, that is Mount Everest. I think some of you know. This is my first presentation in France Tichol, although I have already presented many of my papers, posters, workshops in national and international forum. In this short presentation, I'll be talking about large classroom, the possible challenges, as well as opportunities to cope with unwanted behaviors of the students in case of rural Nepal. Since I have been a teacher of English, I have been reconnecting my ideas in my classroom and rediscovering many research papers based on my large classroom teaching experiences. In this presentation, I'll be looking at what and how aspect of large class and unwanted behavior made by students. I'll be exploring the multiple data that I carried out from the field. It will be a pretty interesting meeting. I think it will be a novel experience to know about Nepalese English language classroom. That how big it is, how challenges it has, how is the condition of the resources that come under. So I'll be highlighting on it. Hopefully, it will be a great experience of my presentees. Last but not the least, if you would like to join me, you all are heartily requested to join my session at 2:30 French time. Thank you